Hi everyone! So on the last two videos, I've been talking about Vagrant and how to set up a VM using Vagrant from your command line. So I think the last video was about using Flex Gateway in connected mode as a Linux service. So on this part, now I'm gonna do, instead of connected mode, I'm gonna do local mode. So instead of connecting to runtime manager, which was I had done using this thing right here, I'm gonna do it using the local mode. So the steps are gonna be pretty similar. The first step, this one is gonna be the same. So for example, if I try to do flexctl, what was help? This will not work because I have not installed the flexctl CLI tool in this part. So I have to run that first. And that command, I can have it from runtime manager or from the tutorial as well. So there's that. After that, let me just check that flexctl was indeed installed correctly. Oh, it didn't. Okay. Flexctl help. Yeah, now I can see the help. So all good. Now we're going to register the gateway, but important thing to notice, let me just put this here so you can see. First, we change the gateway name. Let's put Linux Gateway 1. Token organization are gonna be populated automatically, which is neat. We're gonna remove the connected true because we want to run this in local mode instead of connected mode, or you can also run it using connected false. Both should work, and that's it. So let's take this and run it in the terminal. Yes. So starting the registration and done. Files were written in this folder. So we're gonna get there. CD. Oh, maybe you cannot see. Hold on. Oops. CD there. So now we're here. If I do LSLA, you will be able to see all of my stuff. Or if I just do ls, you will be able to see that I have registration.yaml already set up. So now let me go back here. Here's how we start the gateway. So I'm just gonna take that, put it here, and that's it. You can double check that the gateway started by doing this. And I can correctly see that these are being listed, so cool. How can I get out of here? Oh, there you go. So, okay, I have gateway installed, and because I'm not using the connected mode, I cannot see it listed here. So I will just have it there. And then the second part, if you go to this developer tutorial, which is secure your APIs with Anypoint Flex Gateway in local mode, aka the config file, and you scroll down, you will be able to find, I'm gonna put this tutorial in the comments, you will find these files. So let's copy that and put it here. Notice that I do have to be like where I have my registration.yaml. Again, if I do ls, I will find my registration.yaml. So I have to be in that folder. And then I will do sudo touch to create a config.yaml file. So if I do ls again, now I will see that I have two different files now. So let's use Vim. If you're not familiar with Vim, I really recommend you get familiar with it because it can be a little confusing. So select Vim, and actually, because I actually want to show you what are the things that I'm pressing in the keyboard, I'm gonna show everything and not only the command keys. So yes, we're going to do Vim. Oh wait, sudo. We're going to do sudo Vim and then the config.yaml file. So let's run that. And now we are inside the the config.yaml file that we just created. So in order for me to copy and paste this file that I have copied from the tutorial, I actually have to first press I, literally just the key I. This is, again, in case you don't know about Vim. If you know about Vim, just go ahead and do this. So press I. Here you will see that this is the key that I pressed. And then just paste whatever you had. So in my case, oh wait, oh no. I don't know why my VS Code sometimes is showing me this error and then just like freezing forever. Hold on. Okay, I will edit out this part because I don't know how long it's gonna take. Sweet. Okay, so this was pasted correctly, and if I go until this part, so now I have to press escape first. So I'm just gonna press escape. Here you can see that I pressed escape, and then you will have to press colon first, and then W, Q, and this will write and quit the file. So now press enter, and that's it. So now if I do cat config file, config.yaml, I will be able to see that my file was correctly saved. So now I am running this API JSON placeholder. So if I do curl, oh, let me go back to command keys only. Okay. So if I do a curl to this URL, oh, sorry, I forgot. So if I do curl to this URL and then users1, then I correctly get the response back, which is what I was expecting. And now if I do curl localhost 8081 /users/1, which is the same path that I just run, now I am able to get to the same result. So sweet, we have connected Flex Gateway in local mode using a Linux service. If you want to do more stuff, you can for sure go to the developer tutorial and just see what else you can do, like change the base path, which is basically just adding this part here. How to apply a basic authentication policy, which is adding this part here. And how to apply rate limiting policy, which is adding this part from here. And finally, how can you manage several upstream services? And you can just like, again, copy and paste the content of this file into the other file, the config.yaml file that we created in Linux. And that's it. So yeah, I hope that was helpful for you. I don't think this tutorial exists yet to do like the Linux service in local mode, but it will be there soon. So, all right, let me know what else you want me to do. And again, it has to be less than 10 minutes. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.